Hi, little champs. Are you ready to learn all about colors today? Let's go on a colorful adventure together. This is the color red, like an apple, a rose, and a fire truck. Let's repeat with me, kids. Red, red, R-E-D, red. This is blue color. Blue is so cool, like the sky, the ocean, and a blue balloon. Let's repeat with me, kids. Blue, blue, B-L-U-E, blue. This is the color yellow, like the sun, bananas, and a rubber duck. Let's repeat with me, kids. Yellow, yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. This is the color green. Green is the color of nature, like leaves, frogs, and yummy peas. Let's repeat with me, kids. Green, green, G-R-E-E-N, green. This is the color orange. Orange is fun and fruity, like an orange, a carrot, and a tiger's fur. Let's repeat with me, kids. Orange, orange, O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. This is the color purple. Purple is royal and pretty, like grapes, a purple dress, and a magic wand. Let's repeat with me, kids. Purple, purple, P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. This is the color pink. Pink is sweet and soft, like cotton candy, a pink flower, and a piglet. Let's repeat with me, kids. Pink, pink, P-I-N-K, pink. This is the color brown. Brown is earthy and cozy, like a teddy bear, chocolate, and a tree trunk. Let's repeat with me, kids. Brown, brown, B-R-O-W-N, brown. This is the color black. Black is bold and strong, like a black cat, the night sky, and a blackboard to draw on. Let's repeat with me, kids. Black, black, B-L-A-C-K, black. This is the color white. White is pure and bright, like snowflakes, a bunny, and fluffy clouds in the sky. Let's repeat with me, kids. White, white, W-H-I-T-E, white. This is the color black and white. Let's not forget black and white, like a panda, a piano, and a zebra. Black and white. Let's say it together. Black, B-L-A-C-K, white, W-H-I-T-E. Great job, little champs. We learned red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, pink, brown, black, and white. Give a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning with LittleChamp. See you next time.